Okay, so looking at the first part of the test, so they're always based on a scenario, and the scenario will continue all the way through the test. In this case, it's a street dance club, and they always start with asking you to create a folder to save your work in. So what I'm going to do is just minimize this web browser. I'm going to right click on a space. I'm going to do it on my desktop, but you can do yours wherever you want, My Documents or something. And that's my folder made. So I'm going to switch back to my test again. I'm going to click this time, but usually I switch with Alt and Tab. Okay, so move on to the first question. I need a free street dance image. So they're testing whether you are writing something sensible in the search query here. Obviously it's a fake Google, so just pretend you're on Google and type in what you would type in. And then they want to know which one you would choose in the set of results. Generally, I would say ignore the adverts at the start and pick the first one that seems sensible after that. This one doesn't say anything about street dance. This one does, so I'd probably go for the every photo option. And then click next. Okay, so now the first time we've got to download files. Anytime you have to download files, there's these green buttons on the side. And then what you'll do is change one of those files, and then you click on the upload button when you're finished to upload it. So first let's click here to download the images. This will happen differently on different computers. Most of you will probably have a box pop up for downloading, which is going to happen if I click on save. But generally you want to be clicking on save if you can. So I'm going to say go to desktop. Obviously I'm already there, but I'm just repeating it. And go into my Always Dancing folder, and then call this images. So that's what they said it contained. So I'm just going to close this tab where it automatically opens. Okay, so as well as downloading the file to view the images, we'll need the evidence document, which is the second one. Again, I'll save it. Desktop, dancing. We'll put Q1 evidence. It's a good idea to give everything a meaningful name rather than the gobbledygook names that they give you when you download them, just to prove that you know how to deal with files, really, because there will be marks for that. Okay, so here's my Word document ready to paste the photo I choose in. So I'm just going to open up the folder. So just minimize everything, go in here and open my PDF, my Adobe Reader file. You might have a different version of Adobe Reader. Hopefully you'll see these images. If you haven't got Adobe Reader, you can download it for free from adobe.com or get.adobe.com probably. So just search Google for download Adobe Reader. So they want to see you choose a file that is appropriate, but also doesn't have copyright. So they don't want you to choose this first one because it's got copyright. This doesn't look very street in terms of dancing. It's a bit more ballet to me. I like the horse, but I think this is probably the most appropriate one. So I would right click on that. And I'm looking for copy. I can't see it. Maybe if I left click on it and then see if there's a copy anywhere up here. My tools. No. Oh. Right clicked it after left clicking on it, and then I got copy available. You see, I'm quite good on the computer, but I need to play around a bit to find the right solution to a problem sometimes. And the chances are, for at least one part of this test, you're going to need to do the same. Basically, you need to remain calm and just try things out until it works. There's bound to be something unusual or new to you in this test somewhere, so a bit of playing around is a must. Okay, so I've got the photo I want, so I'll just do save. I'm going to do Control and S because that's a quick way of saving. And then if I tried to upload it now, nothing would happen. You always have to close it before uploading it. I'm done with these images, so I'll close those as well. Maybe I'll leave that open for later. So what you do now is you would click here to upload your completed document. If I do click there, what this means is you can't do uploading from the sample test. But in the real thing, the box would pop up. The same box as pops up when you click on Open in Microsoft Word, and then you'd find the file. Sometimes you need to change the file type from Microsoft Word 97 to Microsoft Word 2010 or something. If you can't see the file you're looking for, just change the file type in that box. So yeah, you upload your folder, your Word document, and then that would be the third task completed. And that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.